I'm Joe Harmon. I am the designer and builder of the world's only wooden supercar. I've wanted to design and build my own car for my whole life, and we thought building it out of a material like wood would present an interesting challenge. I think there are roughly 20 different species of wood in the car. We try to stick to North American hardwoods. So interior-wise, all wood steering wheel. There's no metal in that steering wheel anywhere whatsoever. It's nothing but wood and glue. A shaft that you see coming through the middle is the gear shift. The transmission's behind the engine in this car, and the shift linkage goes over the top of the engine. The Splinter was built over a 9-year period of time. It's a ton of work, pain, suffering, and sanding. I knew it would be a ton of work. I get asked the how many hours did this take question a lot. I tell people 20,000 hours. Fastest I've been in the vehicle is probably 30 miles an hour. The car was really built as a building and engineering exercise to show people that you could do it.